Today I'm going to be repairing an Amana dryer. The model is NED4600YQ1. The symptom it's having is no heat right now. Previously it had heat and then it started getting less and less heat until we finally had none. I previously took the back off and found that the heating assembly was not activating, and it did not look shorted, so I went ahead and ordered a thermostat and new heating coil assembly for about $30 on Amazon. It was an aftermarket part, but we're going to give it a shot, see if it does the job. All right, I have it turned around here. First thing we're going to do is obviously unplug it from the wall. But we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws on the back we're going to take off. And then we have to take this one off also, so 10. We need this plate off to get these two out. And those are, I think, 1/4 size. The bit I have is a 1/4 bit on this. Take those off and I'll show you what's next. Okay, I got that off. Basically, once everything's unscrewed, you just kind of pull it up and out, and it comes right off. And that is what it looks like in the back. And that's your thermostat. And this piece right here is your heating assembly. And I will go ahead and take this off, the heating assembly. It is 1, 2 screws, same size on each side. Before I do that, I'll actually unplug it there. There's 3 jacks that come unplugged. Actually, I'm going to get a pliers for that one down there. All right, I pulled all 3 of those off. Now I'm just going to unscrew both of those, and this will pull right off, and I'll show you how it looks when I get it off. All right, that's unscrewed. Basically, it just pulls right out just like that. My assembly, you can see here, is a little darker on top, but none of the coils look like they are bad or touching or shorted out, anything like that. So what I'm going to do is just install an entirely new assembly and thermostat and see if that cures the problem. I'm thinking it's probably the thermostat, but I'll just put a new assembly in, and I'll actually keep this in case the other one prematurely dies or something like that. But let me get the new one. The new assembly, here it is without the thermostat on it. The thermostat's here. This is Supco brand. And I got it, like I said, on Amazon for about $30. Instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory when you take a look at it. So let me get that installed on the thermostat, installed on this dryer heating element, and I'll show you what that looks like. First of all, it looks like I need to bend this tab down to have the thermostat lock into place. This one's a little different shape than the other one, but you can pretty much see here what it needs to do. It lays flat, latches under that tab, and then hooks up to this right here, the left side. I'll show you what it looks like when I get it on there. All right, here are the two compared side to side, side by side. They're a little different looking, but it's pretty easy to see exactly how it needs to fit in there. So let me just do everything in reverse now. I will put the new element back on and then wire it up and power it up and see if we get any heat. All right, I got everything on there. This one here, I needed to, with the pliers, squeeze the actual inside of this tighter. Oops. The inside of this tighter, because it was a little loose on here. And it fits more snug now. And everything fits pretty good. This also was a little bit snug. Kind of had to push it up to get in there compared to the old one. But everything is hooked up. I'm going to go ahead and before I put everything on, I'm going to plug it in and power it up just to see if I get heat. Obviously, I'll stay away from any connections in there so I don't shock myself. But let's give it a shot and see if this did it. And I'm running it in here just with the air coming out. And there is heat. There is heat in there. That was it. Since I replaced both of them, I don't know if the thermostat was the problem or the element or both, but I thought I'd replace them both. I'll keep the old element in case this one dies prematurely. Like I said, I read online that some of them may not last as long as an actual Whirlpool brand, but I'll keep mine just in case. But I think it was probably the thermostat because, like I said, the coils looked okay. So that's it. It's pretty easy. Just everything in reverse here. I will set the back on it again. Like I said, there's a little lip at the bottom, so when I took it out, I had to lift it up and pull it out. Now I will push it in and then fit it back on that lip and then install the 10 screws. Also, if you could hear when I was running it there is a little squeaking, and I will show another video soon on how to fix a squeaking dryer. All right, thanks. And one final thing. I'm going to unplug this before I put anything back on or come anywhere near that. I don't want to taste any bit of that shock. So, and also I'll put the part numbers in the description of this video in case you're interested in ordering the same ones I did or any in general. But I'll put them in the description. Thanks for watching. All right. Bye.